Hey folks, Vic here with your weekly trade video for the week ending Friday, July the 10th of 2020. Today I have a very special video, and it's about a concept that Darko introduced to the Coach's Corner when he first joined and became the lead coach back in November of 2017. The concept is called advanced market flow, and Darko will tell you that understanding it and how it works will have a profound effect on your trading performance. Okay, it's pretty cool. And the good news is that he's going to be covering advanced market flow in his upcoming PMA videos throughout July and August, live and in real time, okay, not after the fact. I'll show you an example of the concept in today's video, and I'll play a very short clip where you'll hear directly from Darko and what he has to say about it. So I really hope you like this video and the method of reading price action the way that you're going to see. Okay, if you do, by the way, we always greatly appreciate a thumbs up by hitting the like button, and be sure to subscribe to our channel. And when you do, don't forget to click that little bell so that you'll be notified whenever we put out a new video. Okay, let me show you the concept behind advanced market flow. So before I get into this, I want you to hear right from Darko and what he had to say in his pre-market analysis video for July the 8th this past week. Just have a listen.
I will be going through every pair, all the 27, 28, whatever that is, on a daily chart, and then on a weekly chart, and then on a monthly chart. We take like two pairs or three pairs, whatever that might be, and do advanced market flow, like apply it on a live market. Like, just draw these lines, higher high, higher low, lower high, lower low, and then just do that, exercise that when the market is quiet. Right now we had like tons of stuff. It's already 20 minutes in the PMA. I don't want to make these too long. So when the market is quiet, I will exercise with you every single day the entire summer. So by September you will be an expert in advanced market flow, and once you're an expert in advanced market flow, it will change your trading life, and you will have results you could beyond your imagination.
Okay, so you just heard what Darko said, results beyond your imagination. And he says this because he's been using it for many, many years, and he's a very nicely profitable trader, so he knows the power of applying advanced market flow, or AMF as we call it. The concept of advanced market flow is that we use the swings in price to determine what the trend is on any particular time frame. Okay, as you may know, we don't use any technical indicators, only price. And we use price swings in a very specific and mechanical way to remove most of the subjectivity. And of course, we have an entire video that Darko made that explains in great detail the whole concept of advanced market flow in our CC members area. Actually, Darko introduced our CC members to advanced market flow in November of 2017. Okay, and so just so you know, and another thing to know is that AMF can be used for any type of trading, whether it's scalping right up to position trading. Now, you can use advanced market flow for several purposes. First, you can use it to filter your trades so that you're only trading in alignment with the advanced market flow on the higher time frames. Okay, so for example, if you're a day trader, it's a huge advantage in terms of expectations and trade management, knowing if the daily AMF is up or down, or if we're in what's called a bullish or bearish rotation, which indicates a possible change in the advanced market flow. I'll show you the general concept by way of illustration of a trade that we had just on Wednesday, July the 8th, on the British pound US dollar pair that you see in front of you here. And don't worry about the terminology I use or anything. I'm not here to explain everything about AMF. Darko's the one for that. This is just an illustration, and of course Darko explains it in great detail. So I'm going to ignore, this is the COVID crash on the pound. I just want you to kind of focus on this just to get the concept. When we see these swings and higher highs and higher closes, that gets our attention. And then a swing down that takes out this low with a lower close. And then we have this big move up here that took out everything in here. And so this is what's called a bullish rotation in here. Okay, and as price comes back, this is a complex pullback. It's not a change in the trend, as a lot of people think. And so as it starts to hit levels of support, we get interested in them because this down here, for example, was a very, very good level, because when price dropped, it went up very hard after that. So that's a place you want to look for some kind of a pattern or reason to buy. I don't even know if we had a trade that day. I just want to show you the concept. And up it went. And the idea is to put more. These are the kind of trades you want to let go because you're just let them run because you're trading in alignment with the higher time frame AMF. Now, although our bias is looking long with that bullish rotation, it doesn't mean we'll never go short. Okay, it's still important to watch the key levels of support resistance because, like as price came back up into here, if there's a trade possibility in here, and and we get a signal for it on our lower time frames, like on our hourly time frame when we're day trading, we'll definitely have a look at taking that trade. Okay, because there can be good trading opportunities if we see sufficient room, like on the way down until we hit support. We need to see sufficient room to take a counter trend trade. But since we're in a bullish rotation, long trades are the kinds of trades that you want to let run. Okay, these are the trades where you can really clean up, making really good reward risk trades, especially if we not only have a bullish rotation, but if the actual advanced market flow is up. Now, as I mentioned, we will take trades against the AMF. However, if we do, this is why it's so good to know about AMF. If we're trading against it, we're going to have a completely different mindset when it comes to trade management. When we're against the advanced market flow, okay, we need to be more hands-on. That means take some profit along the way, get the risk out, and see what happens. And before I show you that, I'll just show you how this trade's set up. We started to break above this level of potential resistance right here. And let me just show you the screenshot. Where is it here? The Darko posted. Here it is. Here's that daily chart coming down. I just showed you comes down to this level in here and gets going up. This level, you see how price broke above it and started to trade above it? Here's what was happening on the 1 hour chart. Darko posted this for all of our members in our premium service to buy it right here. And I'll just go back to to our charts here, and let's go to the hourly chart. And here's the trade. Comes down. See that price breaks above here. Here's another very bullish move where it takes out everything in here. And we have this complex pullback into this level right where Darko was looking at buying. And here's the move up. Pretty nice move. That's been up over 100 pips so far. So what I want to do is I want to show you an example of a day trade that we had this week that was against the advanced market flow, and it was on the Euro Kiwi pair. And I'm not going to get. There's no point in me getting too detailed on it because I'm not, like I say, Darko's the one to teach this. He's very good at it. He came up with it, and I've never seen it before. It's pretty cool. Anyway, this is we had this big move down on this is the daily chart on the Euro Kiwi. We had this big move down. We hit some support, weekly, daily support, rally, more of a complex correction back to this support. And when this day happened, we then started to get a breakout on our lower time frame, which was on the hourly chart. That's our entry time frame. And Darko posted a buy right here. You see on the hourly chart how we started to, we stopped going down and we broke above all of these highs in here. Okay, so that's a rotation happening here. Comes down. This is where he was looking for the buy. Price starts to go up, and we are very, very hands-on on a trade like this. Why? Because we're against the higher time frame flows. And you want to watch these levels and let this level here as price goes up for taking profit, right? Do not let these become any kind of a loss. And sure enough, we had members take this, took profits, came down, got stopped out with the remainder, but overall a profitable trade, okay? Now, this takes time to learn, okay? You won't get it in a day or a few weeks even. You need to study it like anything else before becoming proficient at it. The rewards, well worth it, okay? And I always cringe when people think they're going to just get something like this and be making thousands of pips by the end of the week. That's ridiculous, okay? We're very honest with you about what to expect, and if you'll learn this, you won't regret it. So here's what we're going to do and what you need to know. Like, it's one thing to learn the theory of something, but quite another to put it into practice and actually use it to your benefit. Okay, so for at least the next couple of months, Darko's going to be covering the AMF on a few pairs, 1 or 2 pairs, in his daily pre-market analysis videos. Okay, this is huge because you're going to be shown live examples of advanced market flow, not in hindsight examples, in real time. Okay, it's just a great way to learn and a super way to really speed up the learning process. So you know, we want to, I mean, we want to allow as many people as possible that would like to learn this. So what we're going to do is we're going to have a flash sale for our CC Premium service. This is the service that gives you access to absolutely everything that we have, the chat room, the premium service charts that you just saw, everything. So obviously, you need to make a decision about whether or not it's for you. If it is, and you're truly serious about learning to make money consistently and how to put yourself on the right side of the trend according to the price action that Advanced Market Flow shows you, then this is a great opportunity to join us. Okay, and we have different join options, which you'll see when you click the link that's in the text below this video or in the email that you received. So as most of you know, we don't trade unless we're at a key level of support resistance on a higher time frame chart. However, when you combine support resistance with Advanced Market Flow, magic happens and you'll see charts in a whole new way. The concept of reading trend from pure price action and then understanding the significance of pullbacks or rallies is huge. And we are very confident that an understanding of Advanced Market Flow will benefit you in a big, big way. So check out the discount for joining our Coach's Corner service. And don't forget, this is for our premium service. In the link below this video or in the email that you received, and we'd love to have you join us and look forward to working with you. Thanks so much for taking the time to listen in today. I hope you got something out of this video, and I wish you all a great weekend. Take care.